The objective of this module is to enable employees to recognize and effectively apply proper pricing that meet the balloon rate criteria and be able to explain balloon rate pricing to customers. The new pricing change for balloon rate will include priority mail balloon rate for local and zones 1 through 4 and parcel post balloon rate for all zones. It is important that the employees understand the changes. Balloon rate helps cover the additional costs the Postal Service must pay for processing and transporting packages that are both large and lightweight. What changed with the rate case? Priority mail balloon rate applies to zones 1 through 4. It no longer applies to zones 5 through 8. Minimum weight applied has increased from 15 pounds to 20 pounds. Remember, any fraction of a pound is rounded up to the next whole pound. Priority mail balloon rate is applied to items in local and destination zones 1 through 4, weighs less than 20 pounds, measures more than 84 inches and less than 108 inches in combined length and girth. These items must be charged the minimum 20-pound rate. Parcel post balloon rate, parcel post items will continue to be assessed the balloon rate based on established criteria, applies to all zones. The only change is the minimum weight applied has increased from 15 pounds to 20 pounds. Did you know the criteria for non-machinable and oversized packages will remain unchanged? Priority mail balloon rate and dimensional weight measurements differ. Balloon rate is the length plus girth combined and applies to zones 1 through 4. Dimensional weight is length times width times height and applies to zones 5 through 8. The balloon rate criteria is priority mail, local and zones 1 through 4. Parcel post, all zones. Measures more than 84 and less than 108 inches in combined length and girth. Weighs less than 20 pounds. Round fraction up to the next pound. For example, 5.2 pounds to 6 pounds. If a package meets the above criteria, the minimum 20-pound rate is charged. Measurement tip. Packages that measure less than 17 inches in length cannot qualify for balloon rate and additional measurements are not required. Most packages will not require measurements since they will not meet the balloon rate criteria. Note: balloon rate calculations are supported in PAWS and IRT. Manual offices can perform calculations with an electronic scale or a Postal Explorer CD-ROM. The electronic scales will be provided to a number of manual offices, and Postal Explorer CD-ROM can be used on an ACE computer. Other manual offices will have to use a rate fold and measuring tool. Let's determine priority mail balloon rate process. Weigh the item, round fractions up to the next whole pound. For instance, 5.2 pounds rounds to 6 pounds. Determine if measurements might be required. Use measurement template if available. If necessary, measure the longest side, length, and the girth. Combine the two measurements for the total measurement. If the package is irregularly shaped, measure girth as the distance around the thickest part of the package. Combine length and girth for the total measurement. If the package measures less than 84 inches, balloon rate pricing does not apply. You can calculate postage based on the actual scale weight and zone. If the package measures more than 84 inches and is not more than 108 inches, and the package is less than 20 pounds, the 20-pound minimum balloon rate applies. Postage is assessed at the package's scale weight, or 20 pounds, whichever is greater, and the zone. Measuring the girth. The girth of a rectangular-shaped package is twice the width plus twice the height. In the example above, girth is 60 inches. In addition, the length plus girth combined is 90 inches, so balloon rate pricing would apply to the example above. Now let's do a couple of exercises to ensure everyone understands balloon rate pricing. Exercise 1. A customer wants to mail a priority mail package that weighs 15.2 pounds to Zone 1. The dimensions of the package are length, 18 inches, width, 13 inches, height, 12 inches. Question 1. Is a balloon rate charged? And if so, at what weight? Answer to Exercise 1, Question 1. Length, 18 inches, plus width, 13 inches times 2, plus height, 12 inches times 2, equals 18 inches, plus 26 inches, plus 24 inches, equals 68 inches. Total length and girth equals 68 inches, which is less than 84 inches, so balloon rate would not apply, and the package would use the 16-pound weight, 15.2, rounded up. Question 2. What if the customer is mailing a priority mail package that weighs 15.2 pounds to Zone 1, and the dimensions are length 25 inches, width 15 inches, height 15 inches? Answer to Exercise 1, Question 2. Length 25 inches plus width 15 inches times 2 plus height 15 inches times 2 equals 25 inches plus 30 inches plus 30 inches equal 85 inches. The total length and girth equal 85 inches, which is more than 84 inches, so balloon rate would apply and the package would use the 20-pound weight. Let's try another exercise for determining balloon rate. Exercise 2. A customer wants to mail a priority mail package that weighs 14.2 pounds to Zone 3. The dimensions of the package are length 27 inches, width 16 inches, height 16 inches. Question 1. Is a balloon rate charged? And if so, at what weight? Answer to Exercise 2, Question 1. Length 27 inches plus width 16 inches times 2 plus height 16 inches times 2 equals 27 inches plus 32 inches plus 32 inches equals 91 inches. Total length and girth equal 91 inches, which is more than 84 inches, so balloon rate would apply, and the package would use the 20-pound weight. Question 2. What if the customer is mailing the same priority mail package to Zone 7? Answer to Exercise 2, Question 2. A priority mail package going to Zone 7 would not be charged a balloon rate because priority mail balloon rate applies to local and zones 1 through 4. Since the above priority mail package is being shipped to Zone 7 and is more than 1,728 cubic inches, 27 times 16 times 16 inches equals 6,912 cubic inches. Dimensional weight would apply. Did you know USPS provided standard expedited packaging, including flat rate boxes, are not subject to balloon pricing because of their size? Express mail packaging, priority mail packaging, and priority flat rate boxes are available at post offices and can be ordered online at USPS.com. If asked by customers, please inform them that size and dimensions affect handling and transportation costs. Shipping costs accurately reflect transportation and operational costs. Other shipping companies charge similar fees for large packages. Encourage customers to use ReadyPost boxes that do not exceed the dimensions that could result in a possible balloon rate. Encourage customers to use priority mail packaging and priority mail flat rate boxes. Encourage customers who are concerned about the cost to use smaller packaging, if possible, to reduce cost and explain that other shipping companies charge similar fees. Now we will review the frequently asked questions. Question 1. Are ReadyPost boxes and USPS supplied boxes subject to balloon rate pricing? Most USPS ReadyPost boxes will not qualify for the balloon rate. The only two boxes that currently could qualify for a parcel surcharge are the size 17, 17, 17, and 20, 20, 20 ReadyPost box. None of our expedited supply boxes would qualify for balloon rate. Question 2. What is priority mail balloon rate pricing and what are its parameters? It applies to packages measuring between 84 and 108 inches in length plus girth, being shipped to local and zones 1 through 4, weighing less than 20 pounds. Such packages are assessed at the 20-pound rate. Balloon rate pricing does not apply to USPS priority mail packaging. Question 3. What are the changes to parcel post balloon rate? One significant change is that the minimum balloon rate increased from 15 pounds to 20 pounds. The parcel post balloon rate still applies to all zones. Question 4. Would anything mailed